Yo, welcome to the stream, everybody. Welcome to the stream. I just love coming here, guys. You guys are so supportive. I had to just come for the last time this year. I hope you can hear me. If everything is alright, just type 1 in the chat. Everything is alright though. Crystal clear? Yeah. W production. W. बात करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग की बात करते हैं, ट्रेडिंग की बात करते हैं, है ना? थोड़ा टाइम दे दो मुझे, ट्रेडिंग की बात कर रहे हैं. Don't worry. Hello, welcome everybody. Happy New Year to everybody in advance as well. What is wrong with this thing? It is always wrong. Do I know you, Sagar? Is market gonna move? That's a question today. It has moved since morning a lot. We dropped 150 points. We came back up 150 points. Ah, this is from yesterday. There you go. हटा दी भैया. I want a little bit retracement and then go up. That would be wise thing. Hello, Margaret. Bro, one-on-one ka there is no validity. If you are talking about how long it's gonna go, it is one-on-one mentorship is for 2 months, guys. I'm gonna talk about everything that is to know in trading. Mainly focus gonna be your payouts, you know, as soon as you get to the payout and start your journey. Let me check. Yes, Ashish, yes, got it. Hello, next. Big fan Abhishek bhai to everybody just try to keep your real name on board. मैं देख पाऊँ कि तुम हो कौन जो इतने बड़े फैन हो रखे हो. How much risk? I would say if you are doing positive RR, then $400 to $500. I do not know about 25k static account. I had 50k fundamental accounts. So from which close to Ahmedabad, not actually in Ahmedabad, but yeah, close to that. So yeah, now you know. अरे नहीं है, वो एलिजिबल ही नहीं है। 30-40 का ले लूंगा भाई मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ नेक्स्ट। लेट्स गो अभिषेक भाई, होपफुली। Why trading in the bank holiday? Because we can. Okay, market is open. Just go with Lucid, you will have no issue with anything. If you are buying eval, just go with Lucid. If you want to have S2F, straight to funded plans, then you can go with Tradify, which is 50% off with code VEDIC. So yeah. नेक्स्ट भाई, ज़्यादा ही बकचोदी कर रहे हो तुम। Oh, you already bought 5 Lucid. Let's go. W. I hope you are passing some of those. Do not trade all of them at one time. I suggest trade in the group of 3 and 2. So even if you fail on 3, you still have backup. Do not fail all the accounts. Bye, have you got any payouts? I used to get payouts from Top Step in 2023, 2024. Let's go, market. See, if you go on Twitter, I always yesterday I talked about 650 level and these lows being taken out. Now we have taken out those lows, so it is seeking some liquidity to the upside. If you see, अगर तुम देखोगे कि this area right here, market has consolidated a lot. So of course, it makes sense that there is a lots of liquidity building up here. Stops are there. So if market can push it through, not today, maybe tomorrow, but my buyers or point of liquidity areas gonna be up there. So if I find longs, I'll be very confident to take it. Now I'm banned on top step. असु भाई 6 तुम स्टैकअप कर रहे हो, तुम स्टैकअप कर रहे हो यार, इतना भी स्टैकअप मत करो। Alright, market doesn't want to go up. Let's see what it can do. But I don't have ES opened up. Even if it, let's say 930 से कितने पॉइंट्स का मूव आया है? $27 points, it's alright. Sir, from any firm live account, they have trailing DD, EOD or EOD. Live accounts mean live account, real account, or you talking about funded account? Funded account, they always gonna have EOD, most of the firms, but some firms has trailing, so be very careful. Let's see how we react of this FUG, guys. Let's see how we react of this FUG. Can we inverse that? or are we gonna respect? Hello, Saha sir, hello, welcome. आओ कभी डिस्कॉर्ड में आओ साहब साहब. Yeah, as expected, it has inverse that. I'm just looking at ES. If ES starts to push up, I can long NQ. But again, it's a bank holiday, so I'm not gonna risk that much of my money. Just gonna chill out. Thank you, bro. Thank you. See how it did not inverse that. Says that market wants to go down. I'm gonna try sell from here. See what I can do. Of course, I can be wrong, and there is no inversion. But I think this is the only time I'm gonna get something. And stop is 20 points. So if I'm wrong, I can try it again. Gonna try some 1 gem 1 trade. Wow. Now that is something. Let's see how far I can stretch it. I think we're gonna get reaction from this. I'm gonna move stops to break even now and let it ride. I don't care about 20 points. I bought my funded accounts. How much should I risk? I'm thinking to risk little bit extra than that actually. Little bit extra, bro. Okay, that's a push. You can book it here because it has taken out these lows and it is reacting off it. If you want to book it, you can. And I am out as well. Great trade, easy, 43 points. 1 gem 2 easy W. Fuck, this is so bright. Yeah, there we go. Not able to take. Yes, it can be difficult to take it in live stream because it is not live. But I'm streaming with my members as well. So yeah, if they want to take it, they can. Straight W, nothing BS or anything. Easy trade. That's what we call an easy trade. The trade idea was the same, that if we inverse, I'm gonna long. If we do respect it, that means market wants to continue to go down, and that's what it did. Just try one. Lucifer, just try one by one, and see what you can do. Trade your strategy. Do not fuck up a lot. Try to build discipline. You're not gonna get rich by just trading two accounts. Just keep that in mind. And yeah, I booked $800 on both accounts. Usual shit. Let me show you guys executions if you are into. By now you should trust me, but yes, there are some new people here, so I'm just gonna. If I said I pressed the button, I did. That means I did. There we go, guys. You see, sold it from 659, booked it right there at bottom for $805. I hope now you trust me. nobody questioned anyways, but I was trying to be transparent. No, I get it. I do see how we react of that gap. That is why it is on my chat. Yeah, those are the kind of things I try to teach my students. And nothing is random in these markets. Yes, news can be affected by outside market, but yeah. And I wanted to actually sell for 2 contracts, but it was too fast that I couldn't do it. That's sad. If I did it for 2 contracts, I would have been up $1,600 and done for the day as well. But it is sad that I could not. I reached about $400. I don't know if I did 459. Okay, so my feel was little bit off. So I reached about 24 points. Means I reached little more than $400, $450, and I made 800 something. Not a bad deal. Not a bad deal. And I executed 1 minute. 1 minute. I try to execute on 1 minute. I do look at high time frames, but 1 minutes are the thing. All right. Let's bring lots of people in the stream. Do you wanna see your friends coming in? Come on. Come on. Ans, can you post the link in the Discord with the @everyone tag? Thank you. Or any mod who is here. Yo, what's up? Thank you, Ans. Appreciate it. What Discord members are doing? Let me just go chat quickly. Did anybody took that trade here in the Discord? Yes. Okay, nice. W. Batura Singh, what's up? Thank you, and really appreciate your tag. I think it just went through. Oh, you did, but you 20 at 13. W, yaar. Prasad bhai, you are on a roll. Another banger. Yes, you're gonna get it, Batura. You know, from first, I think everybody is getting the access to the Discord. Not everybody, but who had the previous mentorship. Ugh. Now I wanna see that if it wants to continue to the downside or it's gonna chop around and then we start to go back up again. So that is how you review stuff. Let's go 9x futures. I have 3 Padilla account, 5 Lucid accounts, 1 Phidias account. Yeah, that's about right. I'm planning to get S2Fs on this discount, 50% off code Vedic. So I'm gonna use that code and get S2Fs. Hello everybody from the Discord. By the way, if you are new to the channel, subscribe because I'm gonna come live and see every day. I'm gonna try. That's all I can say. Wow, I think we are going to take out all these. How is Phidias? Phidias is good for your first try. So if you are new, it is good. If you are very well experienced and you take consistent payouts, they're gonna move you to the live very fast. So that's a issue with them. Hello. Rudrath, hello. I know your name. I don't need to say senpai. How is Apex? Apex is one of the best one of the. Wall spot. I charge more than $800. I charge more than $800. You are wrong there. Hello, Vinayak. And that is not course, by the way. It's mentorship. That's two different things. Wow, are we gonna go take out this low straight away? Funding ticks is okay, but there is 1 minute rule which I don't like at all. That's why I'm not trading with them. Right now, if they remove that 1 minute rule, then I think I can reconsider. Also, if they can tell me, so in the trade like this, it did not even take 1 minute to hit my TP. So yes, I do teach ICT concepts. Buffer is the amount you need to make to get to the payout. Minimum amount you need to make. दिक्कत वहां आती है जहां पे वो इतने सारे रूल्स इम्प्लाई करते हैं एंड टू अप्रूव अ पे आउट दे टेक 3 days. That is not right. In 3 days I can actually trade and get to the another payout. So in a month I'm losing minimum 2 payouts. So if I'm trading with 5 accounts, it's gonna be $20,000 loss just to trade with them. Yes, if you look at this investment and return, that is alright, but that is just not right. Implying this many rules and then taking this much time to approve payouts, for me it's not right actually. For any beginners I would suggest them anyways, but yeah. Lucid will approve your payout in hours. All I want them is to approve my payout. They can send me money anytime, I don't care. They can send me money 3 days, they can take 5 days to send me money, I don't care. But I want them to cut that money out of my account so I can start trading again. Losing 2-3 days, it doesn't make sense for me. I don't think so Lucid has buffer rule in the flags. I don't trade gold, to be honest, Lucifer. It doesn't. Yeah, in minutes actually. And if you are from outside India or living in US or whatever, they send you money under a minute in your bank account. we are living in India, and that is why it is hard for them to set up everything. So it takes time them to send money in bank accounts, but they will approve as soon as possible. If you go back, I think I explained it, trading directive, but yes, I can tell you, we did inverse this FEG. If you see that we had a displacement, we created this FEG, which I was looking at. Either market was gonna inverse this or respect this, right? Market did try to push it back. I waited for candle close, and as soon as that candle close, and we get the reaction from this FEG to the downside, I got in for the quick 40 points. That buffer was like कि चलो तुमने कंसिस्टेंसी थोड़ी सी ब्रेक कर दी है, 51-52% पे हो तुम, you will still pass the counts. You don't actually have to make on dot 1500 every day. You can be little bit off. So that was the update. W INX future. I don't know, Vinay, that is on you to judge us on the behalf, or you can go ask my previous members, or you can do research on us and see. But I would say, of course, because you are already experienced in the markets, you just need a little bit guidance. Yeah. Not lots, not any firm, I would say. No firm will allow you to Nipun withdraw all of that money. Either 50% of that money, or max to max. Some firms do allow $2,000 withdrawal. Top step, I would suggest usually top step, but top step has a issues with their platform right now. So Lucid is Alpha has no plans to compete with this in industry. I'm telling you, Alpha will have to come out with new plans. Yes, you can. Ut- Utkars, you can take payout with that. What you trade usually? NQ? 2-3 दिन देख लो, नेक्स्ट बार फिर मैं बना लूंगा. See, that is why I say na कि you may not get that sweeps that you want most of the time. Anybody can plan longs here, but it is risky. Planning longs, I'm not keen to it. I'm gonna risk little bit, half than what I risked here. See what I can do. Probably gonna get stopped out, but yeah, just you can plan it if you want. My one trade per day is done, so just see what I can do. Yes, back to questions. Do you have any? No, I do not have. I just based on trades. I like to trade. Oh, part payment, it is not possible, to be honest. It is very hard to bring that kind of thing. Installment thing. Yes, of course I pay tax. The kind of money goes around, I'll have to do it. Trailing, of course, that is on you to decide that are you gonna trade with trailing or not. Is it okay for you to trade with trailing or not? That trading style is yours. Single trade, if it has hit my full TP, uh, but yeah, Let me manage this position, guys. I unfortunately I cannot do it. I'm sorry, guys. I cannot reduce the price at all. You gotta understand that. I'm trying to filter out some things. I did make mistakes about reducing price. I'm not gonna do the same mistake again, to be honest. 23 points. Let's see if we can get 23 points in this. Market's gonna react of this. Yes. Yes, that's why the rule is there, right? That you blow the account. They gotta earn too. I will be trading live with one-on-one, which is the most expensive one, 80k one. So, and if you wanna trade, I mean, Sile's not gonna be live trading, so I think you have false information there. We have tapped into 5-minute FPG, so I think we can go down. I gave the logic, Sarmaji. You can go back and watch it. Profited, I did not say that you should. Did I say that you should? And in the days where ICT was charging it, he was charging way much more than that. You don't know that. Did I say you should join or not? Did I ever say promote or anything? People asking question, I'm answering those. And don't worry about it. People who join, they're gonna get their value. Don't worry about it. Take a chill pill. Enjoy your new year. That is true. I don't know why people. I'm just trying to understand. You're not trying to understand. You are trying to offend me. The way you are asking question, I don't know if you where you come from or whatever language you are using, but in my language that is called getting you trying to get offensive. Do you know my history of mentoring? Do you know anything? That's what I'm trying to say. Did you do your research before commenting that? That is what my point of view is. I'm not getting offended. Alright. Usually I don't, but yeah. It's just trailing. Satish, it's just trailing in the apex which gets you. Let's see if we can hold it. If we do not, I think I would like to get out of this trade. Probably I'm gonna take off most of my position here, because if it doesn't do anything here, then no point in staying there. Alright, I'm getting out. I don't like this anymore. I'm just gonna take 13 point stop. Yes, it can bounce back, whatever, but I'll have to wait for another inversions. For me, this trade was L trade, because market is not moving the way I want. If it wants to go up, it has to go up surge. I mean, fast, not slowly. Yes, live stream will be continued, but it will be delayed anyway. So, or I'm gonna be posting recaps or everything. I will decide what to do. Or stream can be off here and there. Happy New Year. Oh. Alright, the way we are reacting on ES, NQ can go down. That's a plan. Don't worry, Jans. Take it. I mean, leave it. How often will you take classes? I'm gonna be there every day. Teaching classes will be maybe three per weeks. But yeah, you can ask question any day. Because this is what I do every day. What ATK mentorship will give us? It is pretty straightforward. Mentorship includes everything. It's just not live trading or whatever. I'm just gonna be there at every part. Let's see if there is no momentum, then this is last trade. How do I take in future props? You just make the money with their rules, take the payout. See how it's consolidating there? That is why I did not like it. It's way better to get out. So one win, one SL, right? That's a string. I wanted it to really go about this. Take out this no weak candle so I can get one gem one, but it did not. I know that. When did I say it's everybody's cup of tea? And you actually don't need it, to be honest. Nobody needs it. There are lots of free stuff you can go learn from. Lots of stuff you can do that. It's just gonna take you a little bit more time. Do you trade Asia, London? I don't usually. Bro, you didn't hold your trade to the SL because I did not like it. As soon as I don't like the trade, I'm just gonna get it out. I don't care if it's gonna go to TV. But as soon as I have that in my mind that of course this is not looking good, the close wasn't good, I'm gonna get out. My bias is nothing. I think it should inverse this bearish FEG. If it does it, we're gonna go up. If it don't, then it's fine. Plus, I'm in the positive. That's why I exited anyways, because I wanna stay positive on the day. How long does it take for you to pass prop accounts? All that. If there is a consistency rule, it's gonna take minimum days. Always minimum days. I don't try to stretch it too much. 2022 model. I'm not gonna teach you anything new than what is on internet. That's the thing. People don't understand. I come in where you think you don't need me. After looking back, finishing mentorship of 2 months, you will see what I did. Yes, I will be live. No, so that's what I'm saying. I will be live. You don't need to join mentorship or whatever. Just stay here. Mentorship is for somebody who is sorry. I was reading something. Mentorship is for somebody who wants to take things seriously. Bro, other way could be charge 50. See, that doesn't work in India. No, that does not work in India with Indian audience. That does not work. In 2025, from starting of the year to the end, almost to the end, till last quarter, I ran refundable mentorship. Okay, if you do not get the payout, I will refund your money. That's what I did. So questioning me is not the right thing to do, I guess. Yeah, I come in even more than that. Coffee trader. No, it is not refundable anymore. I saw what people does. Once it gets a large, let's say more than 6-7 people in the mentorship, it is very hard to manage everybody and keep track. So people try to cheat on those stuff. So I don't like getting cheated on. Nobody does. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. They had the best opportunity to learn from me for free. Right? If they take payout, it is already free. If they don't take payout, I'm gonna refund their money. Right? That's how it is. And out of 300 student, not 300, out of 200 plus students, only 2 got the refund because they did not get to the payout. Because of them, I stopped it because they did not put any efforts into that. You can go back, check records, go ask my students anything. I prefer 2022 model. I suggest 2022 model. I breed 2022 model. That's the only model you're gonna need. I'll try my best to come every day. Either after the NY's AM session, trading session, I can come live in the PM, so you guys can join me. By the way, a cheap plugin, Lucid has 50% off. One of the best firm out there. If you want to get it, get the Lucid. Code GCT as usual. See, this is what I did not want to see. That is why I did not hold it till SL. This is job. I don't want to spend my mental capital on the last day of the year on this kind of transaction. New Year plan is same, grind, grind and grind. 200 students, 80k batch, man, you're cooking. 200 student throughout 6-7 months, not this batch. This batch has cap only 15 student. I'm not allowing more than those 15 student because it gets very hard to manage everybody. Yeah, that was real noon. It is not real anymore because of the kind of audience we have in India. Can you explain consistency? So let's say firm has 50% consistency. You can, what is the profit target on your firm? Let's say if it's $3,000, you can only make $1,500 in a day. So half, 15% is half of your target. So that is how consistency rule is. If it's 30%, then you can make 30% of $3,000 in a day. If you make more than that, then your target will increase automatically. No parties. I do not like to party. That is why I closed early. You see, this was the push. It should have pushed up. If it did not, then doesn't matter. You can learn from anybody. If you want Sahil, I will tell Sahil to join us. Hopefully you don't need him. He's gonna be busy with his things. But yeah. Also applies to PA accounts. Yes, PA accounts has 30% consistency. Do you trade London? I tried to avoid it. I sometimes get greedy and trade London, but it is better for me if I avoid it. I'm gonna need water, guys. I'll be back. Just give me a second. That's how that thing was, right? Uh, yes, mentorship is still open to join. It will be open till 2nd of January. You got time, don't worry. Next, you got the mod. As you can see, 1 minute inversion SMT is a good setup. Yes, it is. I mean, not. I would again. It is a good setup. My bias is to the long side now that we have taken out, but there is a possibility we go down. So I would wait for it to inverse this and get out of this range, right? Inversing this will be best. Uh, if you are not in the Discord, you can join Discord or go to my Instagram, DM me, GameCraft Trades everywhere, or join the Discord and then tag uns, me or anybody, DM me, you'll get it. 1670 is gonna set base for you, Medes Gaming, so you should watch it too. 1617 as well. Yes, sir, that's the target, Srini. Just bias, Anant. Asia session runs on the bias for me. Hello, Fezu. What's up? If you are planning to make $2,600 in Apex, I think what you can do, your maximum days cannot be greater than $800. Just keep that in mind. Alright, Nat. We'll see you. So maximum try not to go overboard. If you are just planning to take payout on $2,600 and you don't want to make more than that, just stop at $800. It will be less than 750. Let's just take 750. But yeah, you get my point, right? Yeah, those are good design with that. Those are good assists. 50Ks are also good. If you want 25K lucid, those are also good. I think उसमें drawdown कितना है? Let me check for you. If it has $1,000 drawdown, then those are one of the best for the beginners. Yes, why? That's great. $1,000 DD, $1,250 TP. Those are good. Really good for the beginners. And those are cheap as well. Use code GCD. Can I get your PayPal, buddy? I will send it to you. Just DM me somewhere. Discord or Instagram. I will check your DMs once or contact any mod in the Discord. They will contact you. No, you gotta put in everything you have for that kind of success. It's not gonna only work out of nowhere. You're gonna have to put 12-13 hours into the trading every day. Not taking trades, but actually back testing or maybe forward testing or working on psychology and stuff. If you have $750 DD and $1,000 target, then I would suggest risk around $150 if you are trading positive RR. If you are trading negative RR, risk $250. So around $200 risk. I know that you are away 4 trades from blowing it, but if you are that many times wrong, then it's anyway not gonna work out. Yes. 25K is the best. I just saw those are great account. $1,000 DD, 1250. It's almost 1 gem 1. Those are great accounts. But for me, when I focus on the payout, because where I am at the stage in my trading career, I want the bigger payouts. So yes, I'm greedy like that. But yeah, 25K can do you good to start your career with futures. You gonna get every kind of help you need. Yes, from trading to psychology to everything to daily. If you have any questions, if you have any question about scaling, everything, trading, I will manage your trading from 0 to 100. Just get that, because there are only 15 people new who are coming in. I'm just gonna be focusing on those. Why would you recommend to someone entering prop firm? It's as simple as that. Why would you want to trade your own money while you can trade with prop firms giving you leverages? If you know how to trade, if you know how to make money in the live account or anything, you will end up making more and more money with the same amount of investment you're gonna make in the live account. And if you don't know how to trade live account, entering props is the only way for you. 2 months. Same is, it's for 2 months and more if I feel like you haven't learned. So there is no deadline, but minimum is 2 months. Futures all the way matters. Do not even touch CFD firms. I know there are thousands of creators telling you to go with CFD firms, this and that and blah and blah. I've been in this industry for long enough to know that CFD firms are not good. Evaluation, if you know what you're doing, then always go aggressive. Do not waste your time there. I have a flex account, Sujal. I don't know how to get USDT. I don't know. I'm not into crypto stuff. I just contact my friends. They send me. How many likes do we have, guys? Can we get that number up? 20 and 63 people are watching. So sad. And then you guys tell me that I don't come live often. That is just sad. Yes, I do take payouts directly. There is no issue, guys. I don't know why everybody keep asking that, but yes, there is no issue with that, guys. Do not worry about that. Focus on your trading. If you have, let's say, $5,000 buffer to spend on the firms, Ashish, then you can look at the STF plans. Until then, I think I would suggest stick with, because lots of things can go wrong, and for that you gotta keep that error amount. Let's say you buy 25k pro eval with any firm, Lucid or Tradify, right? Account gonna be $72 or whatever. You got Lucid Flex account is even cheaper, $60, right? So you will have 3-4 tries to get to the payout. Plus there are rules which are harder to trade with in the S2F accounts. 20% consistency, which I hate, absolutely hate. But to save time, sometimes I just say fuck it. I think I'm planning to open every month. Let's see how it goes. Yes, I have faced 2 raid months this year, Nitin. Last quarters, I think it was September, October. Yes, it is open. Membership is open. Just got a DM me for it. Let me show you one clown, guys. Let me show you how clown looks like. Okay, I'm gonna fuck that bitch so hard. He will not ever comment on anybody's. Let's get some masala on that. Where the fuck that bitch go? Wait, 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 wait. I gotta find. Orion. Look at this guy. This is what you don't wanna do. Aditya Sukla is saying you guys sell a course of 75K that don't even know about bid and ask absorption. Going up doesn't make sense. Nice approach. Okay. Now, if you know so much about absorption, whatever you are talking about, can I see your bank statement, my guy? How much did you make last year? Can I see your payout certificates, my guy? How much did you make last year? Can I? I know you are watching, or you will have a look at it somewhere. Can I? Of course not. You broke ass keyboard warrior. That I will suggest once you join Semisec. It depends on the trading conditions, but I'll try my best that you don't blow too many accounts. Before I'm not saying you're not gonna blow because you are unexperienced, and if you do everything I say, then there are very less chance of blowing accounts. But market condition also comes into the play. If market conditions are good, just like December, you may not blow any accounts. You're gonna get to the payout in one account. But let's say if they are bad, it can take time. I don't know what market's gonna do. Negative R, if you want to learn, you can learn from Sahil. He's still trading sometimes with it. Or if you want, I can give you session. Let's just organize a sessions on 10th of January. On 10th of January, I'm gonna keep a session on negative RR again. If you wanna join on the Discord. Remind me on 8th coming on live. If I am live on the stream, or tag me in Discord that you told that you're gonna give sessions. I'm gonna give it for free. Yes, for free. Don't worry. What software? I do not backtest anymore. Mostly TradingView I used to use, but yeah. Just trade your style mark where do not change anything just because you are down. Improve on mistake. That's I think what you should do. Where you traveled? I did not travel anywhere. I went to Delhi for 6 times, 2 times Pune, in India only. This year I was locked in. So never be a motherfucker like, or maybe a stupid ass likes Aditya Sukla, guys. You're not gonna go anywhere in your life. What did you ask? No, I do not backtext. I think I answered you. I never go on somebody's trading and then comment that you are doing this, you are doing that, blah blah blah, whatever. Yes, I may joke around my friends कि भाई ये बंदा ये कर रहा है वो कर रहा है offline, but I never go online and then bro I am broke, but even after you earn 2 CR you should do this, you do that. Never do that. Is it high resistance condition or seek and destroy? Whatever it is, until or unless it breaks out of this range or close above, this is choppiness of the year end, right? There is not a lots of volume there. That is why I entered on first trade with taking little bit more risk. I usually don't enter those kind of trades, but I know that market is gonna get choppier after some time. So yeah. Some is like if you have only 1 lakh, then I think you should focus on learning on your own or whatever. I cannot ever tell you to join. That is against what I have as a rule. It is you should convince yourself to join. It is not me. If I say that you should join and something goes wrong, then it is totally my responsibility. And I do like to take responsibilities, but I used to take responsibilities 2 3 months ago. But what I have seen with the scene in Indian market, it is not good at all. So of course I'm not gonna leave you if something goes wrong here and there. I will try to support you at every stage. Even if I have to put something out of my pocket, I don't care. But you gotta trust me on that. Yeah, go on, go on. Madness came in. You do have backing, then I would see again. I will never tell you that yes, join this, that. If you join, you will see a difference in your trading. You will see a progress in your trading. That is my promise. Don't worry about that. You will be total different guy after 2 months. Yeah, go on, ask questions. Don't worry. That is why I'm here. But make sure that those are good questions, not something that you can find on Google. No, I do not. Whatever you see on the screen, that's what I trade. It's getting boring, guys. Absolutely nothing is happening. Yes, it did work pretty good. Yes, if it is definitely worth it. That is my trading. That's what I created with ICT concepts. My students are still using it. As you can see online, Sahil is also using it. It's just for me, I have moved on because it wasn't fitting right for whatever I wanted to do. I was doing so many fuck ups because at the stage where I am, I think I need something else than that. Yes, I will do that, Harshad. If you send me a DM on the Discord, I will do that. What account do you prefer, S2F or sorry, yeah, what accounts do you prefer, S2F or evals? I prefer eval right now with the positive RR. If you are trading with negative RR and taking base hits, then S2Fs. Where do you invest with trading profits? Personal stuff. Apart from ICT, who you watch to learn? I do watch trades by Matt. He has been my mentor throughout the career. Not with his trading style, but his psychology. So yeah, that. So what they do is that they have payout caps. Let's say firm has 100k payout caps. If you are getting close to that, they're gonna move you live with real funds where you can take daily payouts, blah blah blah, and so forth, so forth. And it is some kind of good deal, bad deal at the same time, but everything has a two side. So will live accounts. Who could trade my twin point? There is nothing to do here. Probably short is the play here, but I don't want to do it. I think next month in February it will reopen. I don't know. We'll see what we can do. Thank you. आप मुंबई से हो? No, I am not from Mumbai. I'm from Gujarat. Yes. Are you close to 100k payouts in any firms? Are you close to that capped payout? If you are not, then don't worry about that. I only got live account from only 2 firms max in my career where I have withdrawn more than 500,000 total. So don't worry about that. Any thoughts on no thoughts on order flow? It can work out for some people. I don't know, it doesn't work out for me. Hey, the Nirjal, my guy, how has it been? How has it been? Ping me in Discord, all the members which I know by name. Let's get together today after the stream. It's gonna be fun. I am not. That's what you think that gonna happen, but it doesn't happen that way. You're gonna blow some accounts after taking payouts. It's consistently. I'm close to Ahmedabad. I'm not in the. So yeah. पारिजात भाई बढ़िया है भाई, तू अपना बता भाई। Let's go, bhai. Crazy. 25k from Top Step, 15k. Crazy as money, bro. You are rich, rich now. You can buy president of Nepal now. Let's go, W. I don't know how you take breaks. I just cannot. Degen. How many payouts did you take before mentorship, Nirjal? I just wanted to shut some out here. Just wanted to see. And how many did you take after joining? If you logged in any time of amount is okay. Even 2 3 months. It is all about discipline. Once you get that discipline part, you will. All right. I'm just here to answer your questions now, guys. What? I'm not looking at you in market. It's just fucking choppy.
Uh,
Uh, yeah,
yeah,
Sahil. Yes. Sahil has joined
yeah,
us. I'm live on the YouTube. Just
आ
uh,
गया हूँ मैं भाई।
just, just, just to let you know, I'm live on the YouTube.
हम्म, आ,
क्या
गुड
हुआ?
डे वैसे। टॉप टॉप स्टेप पे बन गए पैसे। ठीक है, फ्लिप कर दिए। उस पे दो
हम्म।
दिन फ्लिप करूंगा तो 5,000 का पे आउट है। लूसिड भी सेम चल रहा है, ठीक है, कि उसमें मुझे आज बस फ्लिप करना था। मैं चूतिया हूँ। आ, मैंने ज़्यादा बनाने के चक्कर में थक गया। और जब बन
Ah,
भी गए थे ना पैसे,
shit.
और मैं इतना गंदा चुदा हूँ। बता कि वैसे नहीं चुदा, वैसे तो कुछ भी डाउन नहीं हुआ। 300 मुझे उससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता। 300 तो चलो ठीक है,
बट वो
बहुत
हो
कम है।
बन जाते उसका
हाँ
फर्क पड़ रहा है, यस।
भाई, क्योंकि वो काउंट हो जाता ना दिन मेरा, तो एक साथ मैं
हम्म।
मंडे को डाल देता पे आउट। मंडे तो नहीं, ट्यूसडे को एक साथ डाल देता सब पे
कोई ना, कोई
फ्लिप
एक में तो
करके।
हो गया एटलीस्ट।
हाँ वही। और फंडिंग टिक्स पे बना लिया मैंने 600।
लेट्स गो
हाँ फंडिंग
डब्ल्यू।
टिक्स पे। हाँ मैं फंडिंग टिक्स पे 2 मिनी डाल के छोड़ देता हूँ अब।
व्हाट अबाउट ट्रेडी
जितने
फाइव?
बनते हैं बन जाते हैं। ट्रेडिफाई मैं नहीं छू रहा अभी। मैं
ओके,
उसको उस पे
देख लेना
वो
इनएक्टिविटी रूल।
हाँ हाँ, उस पे फ्लिप मार देते हैं हफ्ते के लिए। क्योंकि मैं ये करूँगा कि जिन पे पे आउट लॉक होने वाले हैं, ये जो 3 सेट हैं, ये 5 5 10 और 11 फंडिंग टिप्स पे, इन सब पे फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ जनवरी पे आउट आ जाना चाहिए। अगर तमीज से किया, अच्छा खासा अमाउंट है, 10 11 12 हज़ार डॉलर।
हम्म।
12 आ गए, फिर मैं ट्रेडिफाई पे फोकस कर लूंगा, क्योंकि ट्रेडिफाई पे बफर बनाना पड़ेगा ना 3,000 का पे आउट से पहले। तो फ्रेश
हम्म।
अकाउंट होगा, और उस पर फिर गांड फटती है फ्रेश अकाउंट पे।
हम्म। ट्रू।
और ये करने वाला हूँ टॉप स्टेप के इवाल, उस पे कॉपी मार दूंगा ट्रेडिफाई के S2F के साथ, क्योंकि 3 बनाने हैं। उस पे 3 बन जाएंगे, बैकअप पे डाल दूंगा अकाउंट्स को
नाइस
कि
प्लान।
हाँ
डब्ल्यू
तो अब उस
प्लान्स।
पे उस पे पे आउट आया, क्योंकि पे आउट का तो अकाउंट बचेगा नहीं, मुझे नहीं पता ना, $1000 का डीडी होता है क्या, कुछ तो होने नहीं वाला। अगर उड़ गए तो कोई ना, टॉप स्टेप के पास एक एक्स्ट्रा सेट बचा होगा, नया सेट, और मैं अब भी एग्जिस्टिंग वाले अकाउंट पे ज़्यादा रिस्क कर सकता हूँ फिर, कि मैं थोड़े ज़्यादा मिनी डाल सकता
Attention.
Hmm. Wait, you and Sahil are not together right now? No.
अलग अलग बैठे हैं हम लोग।
I mean, I'm in Gujarat, he's in Delhi. If you're talking about trading together, we are not trading together. He's trading something different, I'm trading something different. I mean, more concepts are the same, ICT concepts.
कॉन्सेप्ट सेम ही है, हमें
But
एंट्रीज भी सेम ही हो
the
जाती है, क्योंकि
way
क्या उसको, हाँ
मैंने शॉट मारा था ऊपर से इधर।
शॉट ही, हाँ सेम शॉट ही। मैंने इनिशियल शॉट मारा जिसपे मुझे वो हुआ, टॉप स्टेप पे मुझे छोटा सा लॉस हुआ, मैं निकल गया था, पर क्योंकि मुझे रियलाइज हुआ पुल बैक है। उसके बाद वो हुआ कि लूसिड तो सेकंड ट्रेड टीपी हो गई, टॉप स्टेप लूसिड पे पहली ट्रेड पे छोटा सा लॉस हुआ, सेकंड ट्रेड पे टीपी हो गया। अब उस टीपी से सब कुछ हो गया, पैसे बन गए थे मेरे डे काउंट वाले। फिर मुझे लगा लूसिड थोड़ा आगे चल ही रहा है, तो थोड़ा सा और कोशिश कर लेता हूँ इसको पुश करने की।
You listen to
बन
your
गए तो
Twitter
बन गए।
followers.
वो तो भाई उस दिन तो मैंने खोला ही नहीं, उस दिन तो मैं चुपके से आया, 10 फ्लिप किया, चुपचाप निकल गया। और बहुत रिटायर्ड डिसीजन था, उसको क्यों पुश कर रहा था मैं बैठ के बेंच, जो एक्चुअली आगे चल रहा है, ठीक है, वो बहुत ज्यादा आगे चल रहा था, क्योंकि टॉप स्टेप से डॉलर वाइज इसे अभी लॉस हुआ ना, तो ज्यादा कुछ हिट नहीं हुआ उस पे, कि भाई 1500 हूँ अब, उस पे भी सबसे 1250 ही निकाल लूंगा 2500 पे, और 10 लॉक।
Done, beautiful.
फिर
How
देखते
much
हैं।
should I risk? $500 is good amount to risk, I think. I have been live for last half an hour, 1.5 hours. So I'm gonna close it soon. I completed my 25th year in December. It's discretionary, I would say. नहीं दिया भाई, तुम यार जाके प्रेशर करो उसको यार, साहिल को। I don't know.
मैंने क्या नहीं दिया।
रोलेक्स पूरा
हाँ,
पूरा वो डाल लो भाई, हड़ताल डाल लो। I'm stuck with 9 to 5. I mean, at one point you gotta work hard. Not gonna happen overnight, right? Gradually you can move from that, work on your trading. Alright folks, I think I'm gonna head, not like I have something to do today. I'm just gonna go to somewhere and play games online and see how can I pass today. I'm gonna have dinner as well. Hoping everybody a happy new year. And see, tomorrow is gonna be bank holiday, and not bank holiday, it's new year holiday. So tomorrow there is no trading. So after that, on the 2nd, I'm gonna start trading. Come live. 25k lucid accounts, best. Alright guys, I'll see you. Thank you for joining. No, I'm not doing, I'm not in Gujarat you cannot party. If you know, you know, right? So yeah, happy new year everybody. Members, tag me in the Discord, let's join our talk and then we can end the year. आशीर्वाद आपको भाई. I'm nobody to give you आशीर्वाद, but yes, I hope you get the best out of 2026. That's what I wish. Take care. See you everybody. Happy New Year.